Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. Imagine setting off on an epic road trip with nothing but the open road ahead, a compact yet fully equipped camper behind you, and a three-wheeled vehicle leading the way. This is the future of micro-adventures, the 2026 Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle, a revolutionary take on compact travel that's perfect for solo explorers and minimalist travelers. The concept of a camper tricycle might sound unconventional, but with the increasing trend toward sustainable, small-scale travel, this vehicle is a game-changer. Built for those who love adventure but want something smaller, more economical, and easier to navigate than traditional campers or RVs, this Trike camper hybrid is redefining road trips. At first glance, the 2026 Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle is an engineering marvel. Its streamlined body combines the stability of a trike with the comfort of a tiny home on wheels. The front resembles a modern electric scooter or motorcycle, but the rear houses a compact camping unit, complete with essential amenities. The designers have prioritized efficiency, portability, and sustainability, making this tricycle perfect for eco-conscious travelers. One of the most exciting aspects of this camper trike is its electric powertrain. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it offers a range of around 150 to 200 miles per charge, making it ideal for weekend getaways or cross-country micro-adventures. For those looking to extend their journey, solar charging panels are integrated into the roof, providing a trickle charge to keep essential systems running. When it comes to speed and performance, don't let the small size fool you. This trike is powered by a mid-drive electric motor, delivering enough torque to handle steep inclines and off-road trails. It features a regenerative braking system, which helps recharge the battery while slowing down, making it an energy-efficient option for long rides. The design of the camper unit is where things get really interesting. Despite its compact size, it unfolds to reveal a comfortable living space. The camper features a pop-up roof, which increases headroom and ventilation, creating an open and airy feel inside. There's a fold-out bed that comfortably sleeps 1 to 2 people, and for those who need extra space, an attachable tent can be added to the rear for additional sleeping or storage capacity. Storage is key in any camper, and the Mini Adventure Tricycle does not disappoint. The interior is thoughtfully designed with hidden compartments, modular shelves, and multi-use furniture. The kitchen area includes a portable stove, a mini fridge, and a collapsible sink with a water filtration system, ensuring that adventurers can cook meals on the go. One of the biggest concerns for travelers is access to power and connectivity. The Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle comes equipped with a smart control panel, which monitors battery levels, solar input, and power consumption. There are USB charging ports, OLED lighting, and even an optional Wi-Fi hotspot, making it easy to stay connected while off the grid. For those worried about comfort during different seasons, this camper trike is well prepared. The insulated walls and thermal window coverings help regulate temperature, keeping the interior cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Additionally, a ventilation fan and a small space heater are included, ensuring comfort no matter where the road takes you. Safety is another top priority. The tricycle features anti-lock braking, stability control, and a reinforced frame for added durability. For nighttime visibility, powerful LED headlights and rear safety lights ensure that riders are always seen. Additionally, a rear-view camera and proximity sensors make parking and maneuvering much easier. One of the biggest advantages of the 2026 Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle is its accessibility. Unlike larger RVs or motorhomes, which require special licenses and large parking spaces, this camper trike can fit in standard parking spots, allowing travelers to explore more places without restrictions. Whether it's a remote mountain road, a scenic coastal drive, or even city streets, this compact camper makes it all possible. Another incredible feature is the all-lightweight build. Traditional campers can be heavy and difficult to tow, but this tricycle camper is constructed using high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber, reducing overall weight while maintaining durability. This means better energy efficiency, easier maneuverability, and lower maintenance costs. Affordability is also a key selling point. While full-sized motorhomes can cost a fortune, the mini adventure camper tricycle is expected to have a significantly lower price point, making it accessible to young travelers, solo adventurers, and retirees looking for a minimalist travel experience. With rising fuel costs and the increasing desire for sustainable travel, this Trike provides an affordable and environmentally friendly alternative. Customization is another big draw. Buyers will have the option to choose from different color schemes, battery capacities, and storage configurations. There are also upgrade options, including an off-road package with all-terrain tires and additional suspension, perfect for those looking to take their Trike camper on rugged backcountry roads. As more people embrace a tiny living and van life, this compact camper is poised to revolutionize the way we think about road trips. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. A way to break free from the constraints of traditional travel and experience the world in a whole new way. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for quick escapes, a digital nomad seeking a mobile workstation, or an adventure enthusiast craving the open road, the 2026 Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle is the perfect companion. Imagine pulling up to a breathtaking campsite, unfolding your camper, and enjoying the beauty of nature, all with a vehicle small enough to park anywhere, yet comfortable enough to call home. This is the future of travel, compact, sustainable, and full of possibilities. The only question left is, where will your next adventure take you?